What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the video. It is a very exciting day for me because it is time to get a little bit of summer green up. Now, for the last 5 weeks, I have not had access to my irrigation system. This is because we've had a pool project going on in the backyard. I'll put some B-roll of that up here. They just finished it up. So they finished the pool, then they put the landscaping down, and then they fixed the sprinklers. So we got sod, the sprinklers are fixed, and I now finally have irrigation back in my front yard. And what that means is that it's time to go ahead and put down some quick green up nitrogen fertilizer. And you know what my choice is because you've seen it in the videos before. Scott's Green Max guaranteed 3-day green up. Now the Andersons also has a product for this, and you know I love the Andersons, but for some reason I have always had so much good luck with the Scott's products when it comes to rapid green that I'm gonna stick with it. So basically these rapid green up products are just fast release nitrogen that are going to get into the grass, get some iron in there. The grass is going to suck it up as quickly as possible. You want to water it in as soon as you do it. It's also do it. That's a good one because you want to put it down when there's dew on the ground. And as you can see behind me, we've got some nice dew on the grass right here. And so we're going to go ahead and put down Scott's Green Max Plus, link in the description below. Also hit that like and subscribe button. And we're going to do a check back video in a couple days once it's done. I also want to talk a little bit about the different fertilizers you're going to use on your yard. There's multiple kinds of fertilizer: fast release, slow release, organic. Personally, I like to use the Andersons products for all of my slow release fertilizing, and Scott's tends to be my go-to for my quick green up. It's important to have a good fertilizing schedule though. What I personally like to do, especially now that my yard's back and I have irrigation, is go ahead and shock it with a little bit of the fast release and then come back in 3 weeks and put down some slow release, and then do slow release every 6 weeks throughout the summer. You want to make sure you have good active irrigation though. If you don't, and you don't water this in, it's going to burn your grass, just like if you put too much. So make sure you put the right amount and figure out the settings for your spreader before you get started. But for now, let's get some fertilizer down. Let's go. All right, so as you can see behind me, or I guess on me, PPE, gloves, glasses, a hat just so I don't sweat all over myself because it's already 90 degrees and it's 8 in the morning. But as you can see, we still have a little bit of dew on the grass here. That's gonna come in helpful because that'll let us know where we've been with the spreader as we go. So we wanna get this done before the dew gets off the grass. So let's get going, and I'll see you after the montage, and we'll talk a little bit more about the fertilizer for your yard. Also, as part of the projects we've had going on, we got the driveway extension done. So you can see we added 9 feet there so that I can get my truck out of the way and let people use the driveway like it's meant to be used. Anyway, back to the fertilizing. Let's go. All right, well, that is it for the fertilizing. All we have left to do is go ahead and water this in, so we're gonna go ahead and hit up the Rainbird app, get these sprinklers started. But like I said, fast release fertilizer, wait 3 weeks, put down your slow release fertilizer. Let these things work. You don't have to pile them on top of each other. You don't wanna burn out your soil, you don't wanna burn out your grass. Give it time to let it absorb the nutrients. Give it a break after the fast release, unless you have a ton of water. And make sure you're watering 1 inch to 1.5 inches every week. Check this video out right here if you have more questions about that. And I'll see you in the next one.